Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 1 book back exercises. See the first two letter, choose the correct answer. First question. Bauxite has the composition of Al2O3.NH2O. So option B is the correct answer. So question number 2. Roasting of sulfide ore gives the gas A. A is a colorless gas. Aqueous solution of A is acidic. So the gas A is SO2. So option C is the correct answer. So next question number 3. Which of the following reactions represents calcination? So option C is the correct answer. MgCO3 gives MgO plus CO2. So next question number 4. The metal oxide which cannot be reduced to metal by carbon is Al2O3. So option B is the correct answer. So question number 5. Which of the following metal is extracted by Hall-Hérold process? So option A, aluminum is the correct answer. So next question number 6. Which of the following statement about the advantage of roasting of sulfide ore before reduction is not true? So option D. Carbon and hydrogen are switchable reducing agent for metal sulfide. So that is the correct answer. So question number 7. So in the column A and column 2, the match the following type is there. So for A, cyanide process is used for the extraction of gold. So froth flotation so is used to dressing of ZnS. So C, electrolytic reduction, so that is used for the extraction of aluminium. Zone refining, that one used for the ultra pure of germanium. So option C is the correct answer. So next question number 8. Wolframite ore is separated from tin stone by the process of electromagnetic separation. So option D is right answer. So which of the following statement is not feasible? So option B. So copper plus zinc gives zinc plus copper 2 plus. So everything is in the aqueous state. So option B is the correct answer. So next question number 10. Electrochemical process is used to extract sodium. So option C is correct answer. So next question number 11. Flux is a substance which is used to convert infusible impurities to soluble impurities. So option B is the correct answer. So question number 12. Which one of the following ore is best concentrated by froth flotation method? So option C, galena. So next question number 13. So in the extraction of aluminium from alumina by electrolysis, cryolite is added to lower the melting point of alumina. So option A is the correct answer. So next question number 14. Zinc is obtained from ZnO by carbon reduction. So option A is the correct answer. So next question number 16. Extraction of gold and silver involves leaching with cyanide ion. Silver is later recovered by, so option C, displacement with zinc is the correct answer. So next question number 17. Considering Elihan diagram, so which one of the following metal can be used to reduce alumina? So option C, magnesium is the correct answer. So next question number 18. The following set of reactions are used in refining zirconium. So zirconium is in the impure state. We are reacting with iodine at 523 Kelvin gives so zirconium tetraiodide. So again this zirconium tetraiodide we are heating at 1800 Kelvin means, so we are getting the pure zirconium and the iodine. So this method is known as the Van Orkel process. So option B is the correct answer. Next question number 19. Which one of the following is used for concentrating ore in metallurgy? So both A and B. So both A and C. So A is leaching, C is froth flotation. So both are correct answer. So next question number 20, the incorrect statement among the following is, so option D. So in the metallurgy of gold, the metal is leached with dilute sodium chloride. So next question number 21, in the electrolytic refining of copper, which one of the following is used as the anode? So impure copper. So option B is the correct answer. So next question number 22. So which of the following plot gives the Elegant diagram? So delta G naught versus T. So option B is the correct answer. So next question number 23. In the Elegant diagram, for the formation of carbon monoxide, so delta G naught by delta T is negative. So option C is the correct answer. Next question number 24. Which of the following reduction is not thermodynamically feasible? So option B, Al2O3 gives Cr. So option B is the correct answer. So question number 25. So which of the following is not true with respect to that Elegant diagram? So option B is the correct answer. The graph for the formation of CO2 is a straight line almost parallel to the free energy axis. So next, answer the following. So first question, what is the difference between mineral and the ore? So you need to refer answer in page number 2, 1.11. So under the topic mineral. So the answer is in line 1 and 2. So for answer ore, you need to refer line 6 to 8. So that is the answer for ore. So next question, what are the various steps involved in the extraction of pure metals from their ore? So that for second question, you need to refer page number 6 under the topic 1.3. So first 3 lines is the answer for the second question. So next question number 3. So what is the role of limestone in the extraction of iron from its ore Fe2O3? So the answer is in page number 8, 1.3, second 1.32, third paragraph. So first 2 lines. So you need to write the equation also for that question. So next question number 4, what type of ore can be concentrated by froth flotation method? So give 2 examples for such ores. So for fourth question, answer you need to refer page number 4, 1.22, first paragraph.